fuck me, yeah, swing, I made his fat ass roll. Get that bitch, y'all up on my body, yeah, bitch, she a hoe. And you don't know, man, that shit is so crazy, bro play his role. He tryna heart rate in the beef and he don't know shit about it. Hit in his phone, they ran him down with chop, bust that nigga noggin. I made a play, went to the core, and this little bitch keep on calling. Officers broke as fuck, they need help, yeah, they need some new product. I top hit him, yeah, he fell to the ground, the doctor couldn't stop him. I'm tryna rap and take off for the bros, bless off like a rocket. I gotta keep that Glock up on my side, niggas out here plotting. I block that bitch, yeah, she crazy, she be out here be stock. What I said, when I get rich, dropping 30 on my wrist, dropping chicky on his head, cause he was dissing like a bitch. I hop out, put it on him, turn out little pussy right to a Vic. I'm stepping on these niggas next to, they can't breathe, they sink quick. Like if a rat just pull up on me, yeah, I bet it's gon' get flipped. Make that little shit just do some tricks, how you little bitches hop on dick. We don't shoot no nines, them Timos, cracking niggas, domes and shit. Long live Curry, he was out here doing niggas all real sick. Yeah, the Jason tryna get me, but they can't, them niggas slow. 2 for 3s, they hit his body, turn his dumb ass to a ghost. When I smoke, nigga, don't talk to me, I'm thinking about my bros. Up that blood right to his face, that nigga scared, he said oh no. Shots fired, man down, put his dumb ass on the floor. Head your bitch, arch her back, head her hands, touch her toes. Pussy niggas always talking, you ain't never did shit, bro. You tell the hoes that you be sure shit, you lying to these hoes. He had a fro, but I just had ball heads, that shit's just turning balls. Stupid bitch tryna go live, but you had my dick soft. Nah, fuck yeah, I can't even think my body on the cloud. No work, we gon' pull up and work and fill that nigga job.
Fill that nigga job, we gon' pull up, work, and we gon' fill that nigga job. Like when I roll a nigga on bro, like it hit like Mike at first, after it hit like
yeah, that's boys.